Hello everybody, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to get the wooden planks in Windrose. First of all, if you open your tab, go to Discovery, and first of all you'll need to have the copper ingots discovered. This is going to make you able to craft the wooden planks, also with the sawing rack, which is an upgrade for the workbench that is needed to craft the wooden planks. As you can see, level 2 station is required. To make the sawhorse, open the building panel, go to crafting and utilities, and in the workbench here you can see the sawhorse next to the workbench. This is going to require 10 copper ingots and 20 wood. Once you've crafted it and placed it, go to the workbench, select the wooden planks, and we can craft them. This is essentially all you'll need to know to make wooden planks. Thank you for watching, make sure to like and subscribe if you found this helpful, and see you in the next one.